Hello, my name is Austin Bingham, and welcome to the first module of Python Beyond the Basics. In this module, we'll be covering more of Python's techniques for organizing programs. Specifically, we'll be looking at Python's concept of packages and how these can be used to add structure to your program as it grows beyond simple modules. As you'll recall, Python's basic tool for organizing code is the module. A module typically corresponds to a single source file, and you load modules into programs by using the import keyword. When you import a module, it is represented by an object of type module, and you can interact with it like any other object. A package in Python is just a special type of module. The defining characteristic of a package is that it can contain other modules, including other packages. So packages are a way to define hierarchies of modules in Python. This allows you to group modules with similar functionality together in ways that communicate their cohesiveness. Many parts of Python's standard library are implemented as packages. To see an example, open your REPL and import urllib and urllib.request. Now, if you check the types of both of these modules, you'll see that they're both of type module. urllib.request is nested inside urllib. In this case, urllib is a package and request is a normal module. If you look closely at each of these objects, you'll notice an important difference. The urllib package has a dunder path member that urllib.request does not have. This attribute is a list of file system paths indicating where urllib searches to find nested modules. This hints at the nature of the distinction between packages and modules. Packages are generally represented by directories in the file system, while modules are represented by single files. Note that in Python, prior to version 3.3, dunder path was just a single string, not a list. In this course, we're focusing on Python 3.3, but for most purposes, the difference is not important. Before we get into the details of packages, it's important to understand how Python locates modules. Generally speaking, when you ask Python to import a module, Python looks on your file system for the corresponding Python source file and loads that code. But how does Python know where to look?